Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to create this split video effect on your video using CAPCUT application. So here on this new project of your CAPCUT editing video, I already insert these two and the first one is the main clip and the second one is the overlaid clip. So the way to add a split effect onto this both video onto these two video is by clicking the overlaid video like this, and then you just need to swipe left the toolbars until you found mask button, this one. Then you just click it and you use this mirror mask like this, and then here you just need to decrease the thickness from the mask as thin as possible, kind of like this. And when you're done doing that, you just need to add a keyframe onto this duration. Click it like this, and then you can move the duration onto the exact duration that you want to add the next motion onto this clip. So, and then I'm going to go to this 3 seconds and then click the keyframe again. And first things, I'm going to positioning the mask onto this 0 degree. And then increase the thickness from the mask like this, kind of like this, sorry. Then go to the feather and decrease the thickness from the feather, and again positioning the mask onto this 0 degrees rotation, this one. And then again and again you need to swipe left the duration onto this ending timing of your video on the overlaid clip. And here you just need to increase the thickness from the mask again until it's until we able to see the clip from this video, kind of like this. And then hit the check button when you finish doing it, and now the final result of it will be look like this. And as you can see, now this video have this split effect video. And that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.